Hey everybody, Big Elvis. We got the stuff in. I got stuff in this week. This stuff is some stuff that I got from some whatnot vendors. Got on there and seen. Hey, Legends 2025. I'm sure you've all seen it. That was the car for the transporter for Legends 2025. Pretty neat, but we are some of this stuff we're doing the flea market this weekend. I'm going to try to do a live stream of it. So if you see anything, well, feel free to yell at me, ask me about it. Because we are going to put these up on the whatnot. So there is the M2 transporter, the Ford Boss 302, the Legend, and we're going to get these up there. Thought this one was pretty cool, and you'll get to see what other stuff when I do the table up there. The Chevy Performance with that Camaro still having the bumpers on it. Some of these transporters are just really neat transporters, and truly like them. We got the Chevy Pickups transporter. We got the one that looks all beat up and rough, pulling around that nice little Apache. Like I said, these will be available. Now we did get us a 2006 Camaro Concept. The new Camaro coming out in 2006 when it did. One that we are going to add to the collection of Auto World, because I still do the Auto World stuff. Stripes. So here's some information on it. Well, let's get it all zoomed in there. So this is a limited edition of, what did they say? This was their new casting. So they had 2 trucks come out, and looks like 2 Corvettes come out. Of course, an Ultra Red. It is around 2. This came out in 4/24 of 24. But I don't remember seeing them. And if it's Stripes is a store, well, they probably got released in the areas where the stores are at, because I did not see them. I did not find them around my location, and actually didn't see it till it came up on that whatnot auction. Got us another one of the M2 little dioramas, I guess you call them, with the 66 Corvette and the 2 little people. Well, that's kind of interesting. Take that up there. Let's see what else we did get. We have us a Studebaker Quaker State Wrecker to add to Studebaker collection here at the Big Elvis Show. We also got the 47 Dodge Power Wagon, which is pretty cool. This was a Pawn Stars release. So apparently it was on Pawn Stars at some point. A green Hollywood. There you go. I think that might be one we have to get open and check out. Adding to that Majorette collection, we did get the Porsche 930 Turbo in. That's their new collector's edition. They opened up a few on another video. we're going to add to it. Here's something I think is really cool, really interesting. It is a caboose, no track needed, so it will roll. Pepsi's, and it's got a collector card in there. The Pepsi Cola trains. I guess this was a whole series. Here's the information on it. Cut that deal out. So I don't know, but I think that one's going to have to go to the flea market because it's rarity and such. We did get a couple other things we picked up local. And this is the new twin pack. So it's got the 83 Camaro. And it also has the Mercury Eliminator. Now, what I've been finding with these twin packs, one will be the original, and then one will have the rubber tires. So we're going to get into some of those. I think I've got a couple of them set back. We found this one, and it has the Ford Probe and the Ford SVO. And I'm interested to see that Ford Probe. Of course, all Auto World. And we've got the Vista Cruiser, which I had not seen. And this one is a 64 Oldsmobile Vista Cruiser. In the tins, Johnny Lightning. That is pretty cool. And I found the Mustang 65 2.2 in the tin, Johnny Lightning. And then lastly, but not leastly, in that majorette collection, we did find the 55 Chevy Bel Air. I thought was pretty cool. So we should now have, I know we got the top three, and I think the NSX. Not sure if I don't think I got the Corvette yet, and I don't think I've got that Camaro. That'll finish off that set. We'll get them out and show them to you. And, you know, show them proudly. So that is it for the new stuff coming in. Hope you stayed. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Especially subscribe. Still growing the channel. We love that you come in and watch. Thank you so much. Big Elvis. Take care of each other out there.